Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for History Year 3, Unit 1, Stone, Bronze and Iron Ages. This is part 1 of 2 videos. I'm Megan Latchford and I'm a design lead at Art Curriculum Plus for primary history, geography and science. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's inquiry question, and the unit sequence of learning. The resources available to you on Oxford OWL are the History Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources to go alongside the lessons, the Pupil Knowledge Guide, posters and discovery box cards. To access the resources on Oxford OWL, you'll need to log in to Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject, so this will be Year 3 History. Scroll down to View the available resources, select the year group from the drop-down option, and select the unit from the drop-down option. And from there, you can download the resources you need for each lesson. Here is an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for the entire unit. And you can find more information all about these in the progression document and this unit's unit planning guide. As this unit is the first in the British history sequence, which are taught chronologically with Year 3, Unit 1, Stone, Bronze and Iron Age being the start of that timeline, there is no prior learning listed for this unit. However, prior learning may include Key Stage 1 understanding of history beyond living memory. This unit is a foundation for all British history and even world history outside Britain, as pupils will begin to understand prehistory and how many civilizations developed through their own Stone, Bronze and Iron Ages. However, the main units we have highlighted as using this Year 3 Unit 1 learning as a foundation for future learning is the Year 3 unit Ancient Egypt, Year 4 unit the Romans, and the Year 6 unit Ancient Greece. For more detail on the links between the units and the progression of this knowledge, please refer to the Unit Planning Guides and History Progression document. Every history unit has an inquiry question which the learning is centred around. For this unit, the inquiry question is, how did life change for people living in the Stone, Bronze and Iron Ages? The main disciplinary concept for this unit is continuity and change, to evaluate how agriculture, tools, trades and different groups of people changed life throughout the Stone, Bronze and Iron Ages. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each, apart from Lesson 6, which is just 1 hour to allow time for inquiry question planning and completing. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. Pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the Unit Planning Guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the units to plan for.